When you think of wildfires, you probably think of fires burning throughout the central and eastern side of the state in more rural areas. But over the last few years, we've seen fires start in more urban areas. And there are tips homeowners can take to make sure their property is safe as we head into wildfire season. Under a canopy of trees in this southwest Portland neighborhood,
this stem here is completely dead, and you can see the other half of it on the ground over there.
there's a problem some homeowners might overlook.
So you get a wild area with the invasive ivy on it, and then the brambles. The brambles of this and the ivy and the leaf debris tend to be kind of flammable.
Jeff Moore is an arborist with Urban Forest Pro. He says it's important for homeowners to take a good look at what's around their house as we start to head into the warm and dry summer months.
You want to get, 10 or 15 feet around the structure to have no flammables that would, light up the side of the siding. The siding is all nice and dry and kennelly-like.
Moore says it's not just the spaces on the side and front of your house. Also consider what's above.
And inspect your power lines to make sure that they're not going to drop huge trees on them, and notifying the proper people to take care of those.
And here's another good example of what you don't want to do, leaving old dead branches and piles of debris right by your house.
And this brambly section right here next to a road like this is going to be kind of a fire hazard if something were to come off of the road. And so that defendable space is to clear this area.
Moore says taking care of the small things right now.
So here's a nice example of a piece of property that is being maintained and
could easily save you and your home from disaster. In Portland, Joe Ranieri, KGW News.